In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job board to your Wix website. Setting up a job board can be a meaningful way to engage with your audience, offer valuable opportunities, and even expand your website's functionality. We'll walk through this process step by step using ElfSite, an easy-to-use tool that can integrate seamlessly with your Wix site, adding much-needed features without needing extensive coding knowledge. Let's begin by navigating to elfsite.com. This is your starting point for customizing and integrating a job board into your existing Wix website. Once you're on their homepage, go ahead and look for the app's catalog. This feature hosts a variety of widgets that can enhance your site. Click on it to proceed. In the app's catalog, you'll find a search bar. Here, you'll want to type in job to find the widget we need. This search will help you quickly locate the job board widget from their extensive library of options. Once you find it, click on Job Board. This is the interactive element that you'll integrate into your site, offering dynamic job posting capabilities. After selecting the job board, you'll see an option to publish it. Click Publish to move forward. It's worth noting that when publishing, ElfSite often provides several choices, including different pricing plans, so make sure to select the free option if you're just getting started or if your needs are fairly basic. This choice allows you to explore the features without any financial commitment, giving you a sense of how it can work for your site. Once you've clicked Publish and selected the free option, your template is now ready to go. Congratulations on reaching this point. Now you'll want to make sure your job board is tailored to your specific needs before you embed it into your Wix website. To do this, click on the three dots found on your template. This little icon is a gateway to the next key step. By clicking on these dots, a menu will appear from which you'll need to select Embed Code. This option generates a code that you'll use to integrate your job board into your Wix site. Once you click on Embed Code, you'll find an option to copy the code. Go ahead and carefully copy the code to your clipboard. It's this snippet of code that will bring the job board functionality to your Wix website, enabling it to display job postings and opportunities effectively. With your code copied, you're now ready to embed it into your Wix site. Simply navigate to your Wix editor, find where you'd like to place the job board, and use the embed code element to input the code you've just copied. This is where your job board comes to life, seamlessly integrating with your existing design and offering a new dynamic feature to your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully added a job board to your Wix website, enhancing its capabilities and offering your audience a new way to connect with you.